What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome once again to another powerful, massive episode right here on this channel. Today we are going to look at generators and also lists in Python. Elegant efficiency. Python actually offers two powerful approaches to data collections. Lists that store all elements in memory and generators that create values on demand, a key distinction affecting memory usage and code design. In this video, we'll explore their differences, their performance characteristics, and when to use each in your projects. So lists versus generators, when to use. You have to use lists when you need random access to elements, use lists when iterating multiple times, and then use lists again when using built-in methods like sort. Use generators when processing large database sets and processing large data sets, and you have to use generators again when creating data pipelines. You can use generators again when optimizing memory usage, and choose based on your specific needs generators for memory efficiency with large data, and lists for versatility and manipulation. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you once again.